Cristiano Ronaldo and his Real Madrid teammates trained at a humid York University Abu Dhabi stadium ahead of their Club World Cup opener. Real faced the Arabian Gulf League champions Al Jazira in the semi-final of the competition on Wednesday evening before a potential final against Brazil's Grêmio or Mexico's Pachuca on Saturday. The LIKE champions are based in the Emirati capital as they prepare to kick off their campaign in the annual competition, which was first founded in 2000. All of Real's stars were on display for their training session on Tuesday as they focused their aim on becoming the first team ever to retain the tournament, having won it last year in Japan. Zidane's players were put through their paces despite the challenging temperatures, taking part in a high-intensity Rondo drill and sprinting exercises. The 45-year-old side head into the Club World Cup as the second most successful team in the competition's short history, having also lifted the trophy in Morocco in 2014. Only Barcelona have won the competition more times, 3. However, Madrid defender Marcelo insists drawing level with their arch-rivals is not something that is motivating them. "We don't look at other teams. We do what we have to do," Marcelo said on Tuesday when asked if he was motivated by matching the Catalans' record 3 titles. "Nothing is easy, especially in football. I've played in 2 Club World Cups and won them both, but it was difficult. Nothing comes easy at Madrid. I've been here for many years and everything's been tough. We've won a lot of titles, but we've had to work for it. Madrid will certainly have to put the graft in if they are to overcome the 8-point deficit in La Liga as they try to chase down first-place Barcelona." The El Clasico takes place on December 23 at the Bernabeu, and the Club World Cup could offer Madrid a much-needed confidence boost ahead of the bigger task ahead.